Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to day 6 of On the Boat. And today we had a shower, we had breakfast, had a shower, then we got dressed obviously, and then we went to the shops to get some stuff because tomorrow we're doing the parade on the boat and we didn't have anything. So we got face paint and this hat for Thomas. And now we're about to go to Bembridge, so I'm really sorry I haven't vlogged at all this morning. It's like already nearly 11:30. But yeah, we're about to go to Bembridge now, and when we get to Bembridge we're just going to sort out the boat and then we're going to decorate it because there's a decorating competition. And then we are all going up to our friend's house, and my mum and our friend are going to Tesco and then picking up one of our other friends, and we're all coming back to her house to have a barbecue this evening. And then tomorrow we've got some fun planned with them as well. So yeah. So the next couple of days isn't going to be very good because like they don't want to be on YouTube and stuff. But I'll try and fit some stuff in, even if it's just me showing you the sea and me walking around and stuff. But I'll try and fit some stuff in for you guys. And yeah. So I'll see you in a bit. Haven't seen the red arrows for ages. These are where they do red, blue, white from. Oh, they're making a tube!
Yeah, look! One of them's flying right through the middle and the other one's spinning around.
Where have they gone? Where? Okay guys, so I'm sorry I haven't vlogged for ages. Like, I did my vlog in 2 separate bits and I can't put them together. So we got to Bembridge, we just did stuff and that, and we decorated the boat. And then we went to our friend's house for a barbecue. So I'm so sorry, but I haven't vlogged at all today really. But I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I'll show you like what we've done to our boat and stuff, and it'll be much better tomorrow. So I hope you like this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, comment and subscribe down below, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Turned it on.
Bye.
Can you reach up and switch the toilet on off?